Imagine a world where your money works for you even as you sleep. This is the magical realm of compound interest, a financial principle that has transformed the lives of countless individuals, yet remains a mystery to many. It's not about your salary, but about nurturing your savings over time. Compound interest allows your initial investment to generate earnings, which then earn even more, creating a snowball effect that can lead to financial independence. So, what is compound interest? In its simplest form, it means that the interest you earn gets added to your principal balance, allowing you to earn interest on the interest. Visualize planting a seed in rich soil. With every passing season, that tiny seedling grows taller and broader. Each year, you reap the rewards of your investment, and those rewards are reinvested to propel further growth, illustrating how time plays a crucial role in wealth accumulation. Yet many individuals fall into the trap of believing that greater income equates to greater wealth. They often delay saving, thinking there's still plenty of time to catch up later. This misconception can be detrimental. The truth is, the earlier you start saving, even a small amount, the more you can leverage the power of compound interest. Imagine starting to save at age 25 instead of waiting until you're 40. In those crucial years, your invested money has time to grow exponentially, paving the way for a comfortable retirement. Additionally, while some chase high salaries, others who understand the art of compounding can build wealth quietly and steadily. It's about making your money work harder than you do. Combine wise investments with patience, and suddenly the dream of retiring a millionaire, regardless of your current salary, becomes attainable. Each year you delay could cost you thousands of dollars come retirement, but it's never too late to start. Even those who begin late can benefit from the remaining time ahead. Utilize the power of compounding. Start setting aside even a modest amount today and witness how it transforms your financial landscape. Wealth isn't a mere product of income, but a long-term growth strategy that hinges on time and smart decision-making. Take charge of your future. Embrace the journey to financial freedom and retire with more than just dreams. Retire with wealth. Understanding compound interest is like witnessing the marvel of nature. It begins with a single seed representing your initial investment. Just as that seed grows into a sturdy tree, your money starts to accumulate, slowly at first. This initial phase may seem uneventful, but beneath the surface, your financial roots are taking hold, preparing for a significant transformation. As you nurture your investment, adding more funds or allowing it to grow untouched, your tree of wealth is preparing to unleash its true potential. The journey of compounding resembles the nurturing of an orchard. With time and patience, what began as a mere seed can produce branches laden with fruit, or in financial terms, additional earnings. This is the beauty and efficiency of compound interest. Each dollar can produce interest, and then that interest can create even more interest. As months turn into years, the growth, initially perceived as slow, begins to gain momentum. The financial landscape you once tended to with care starts to flourish, and before you know it, wealth begins to accumulate like an impressive canopy overhead. However, the inflection point is where many falter. Financial gardens sometimes take years to thrive, and during that lengthy wait, it's easy to lose sight of the ultimate goal. This is where the majority give up, yielding to frustration and opting for short-term gains. Yet, it's precisely at this juncture that the wealthy accelerate their journey to abundance. With patience and perseverance, when your investments finally reach a critical mass, they start to explode exponentially. This phenomena is the magic of compounding, a remarkable principle that allows your wealth to burgeon and expand. Ultimately, staying invested long enough is key to unlocking this treasure trove of potential. Like a tree that flourishes over time, your financial journey requires a long-term perspective. The initial years may test your resolve, but as you cultivate your investment with diligence and commitment, the rewards spring forth in waves. Embrace the curve of compounding, and you will witness the majestic transformation of your finances, where every dollar serves as a vigorous seed, generating a forest of wealth that not only provides shade, but also nurtures future generations. In a world where financial success often feels out of reach, it's crucial to remember that you don't need to be a genius to build wealth. What you truly need is time and consistency. Every dollar you save today is not just a mere number in your bank account. It's a step towards freedom for your future self. Just imagining the possibilities can ignite a fire of motivation within you. The journey begins with a simple decision: to take control of your finances. Picture yourself setting aside a portion of your income every month, no matter how small. It may seem insignificant at first, but each dollar saved is a seed planted in the fertile ground of your financial future. As time passes, these seeds grow, nurtured by the power of compound interest, your money earning money, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth-building journey. As you embark on this path, consistency becomes your greatest ally. Reframing your mindset about money allows you to see beyond immediate gratification. Instead of viewing saving as a burden, see it as an investment in your dreams. Visualize what freedom looks like: traveling the world, starting a business, or simply enjoying peace of mind. Each penny tucked away today contributes to that vision, transforming your future into a reality. Start today, even if it feels daunting. Do not let fear of inadequacy hold you back. Each small step is a victory, paving the way to your financial independence. Consider the lessons learned from those who have come before you. Success is magnified by their early starts and tenacity. So why wait? Embrace the notion that the best time to plant a money tree was 10 years ago, but there's still time to cultivate your own. If you found clarity in viewing money through this lens, spread the knowledge. Hit the like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe to Being Financially for a plethora of smart money strategies each week. Together, let's create a community where learning about finance is accessible and motivating. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about making your money work for you through patience and persistence. The seeds you plant today will flourish into a garden of wealth tomorrow.